Hi, Professor. Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to present about residency lecture, shaping the future and solving the modern problems with emerging technologies. For this presentation, I took that a modern day problem like the fragmented and inefficient flow of patient data. If you see the current problem in current healthcare environment, major issue is in the segmented and ineffective movement of the patient data across different systems and different vendors and different diagnosis and different systems. So although all these health records are now being digitized in different ways, but they don't have an integrated solution where all the patient information maintained in a common system and it is easily retrievable when needed. So this kind of way of us saving the patient information in different format, different systems, it is causing a lot of problems and it will for future deriving solutions. It's not in a best way to do that. A lot of challenges or patients and healthcare systems are facing a lot of challenges. For example, incomplete patient history. A healthcare professional may unable to obtain the holistic view of patient information and their background, their previous diagnoses and the treatments, medications, allergies, and everything. And this can delay the decision making of the treatment, and some kind of delay will happen in the treatment. And treatment diagnosis will be delayed and previous records will be delayed, so again repeating the test will be happen, it will delay the treatment and increasing healthcare costs. Thus repeating the same test and every time and the same kind of a process followed by same times, it is increasing the cost on the treatment and patients are un, unnecessarily bearing these costs. Some kind of reduced patient experience. Patients frequently carry the responsibility of collecting and transmitted data from one vendor to other vendor, one doctor to other, but like that. So it is one common portal can be useful for them to carry the information from different providers. Like this way, and this kind of unstructured way of data storage, it is causing hindrance in the data research and innovation process also to identify that what are the core diseases and the treatment for them. So to solve all these problems, with the emerging technologies, we can find a better solution to all these kind of a problem. For example, by using the blockchain technology and secure and scalable cloud infrastructure and standardized data models between the different health standards, followed by different systems and the patient-centric and mobile applications way of data access and artificial intelligence and using artificial intelligence and machine learning in this data retrieval and generating the business intelligence from the data. Like this, we can use these technologies to derive the solutions to create a secure and interoperable and a patient focused healthcare data ecosystem can be built by using these emerging technologies, I feel. For example, using the blockchain technology, a trust can be built in a trusted way. Data can be shared between healthcare data can be shared in a private and secured way, and in a trusted way. The data can be shared between the vendors and the patient to patient, patient to the trusted parties, and the patient to different systems. Like this, it can happen. So, like this way, blockchain implemented a trusted technology, and it can easy to solve this trusted way of data transformation between the systems and cloud computing. A lot of constraints are based on storing the data in the cloud, on-premises on-premise storages, and a lot of challenge in data integration and requirements of scalable information. The data is expanding. Now we need a scalable solution. So cloud providers are providing the scalable solutions and the data challenges and data lakes can be built on top of that. A lot of data collection be saved in the data lakes and that can be enhanced to enhance the data from further. And the data models. Some of the common models can be built and some of the common frameworks can be built on the healthcare data, and it can solve the commonality between the providing the different standards, how the data will be maintained and how data can be commonly stored in a way of common models can be managed with this common model and patient-centric mobile applications. So all the data stored in common applications and that can be easily retrieved by common way of easy way of accessing that web portals and mobile applications can be built on top of so patients can be easily access the data and that can be shared to the different doctors and providers and artificial intelligence also. So artificial intelligence mobile machine learning can be process the millions of billions of records and it can process more insightful data, more patterns can be found, and it can be find the more Nowadays, the specific chronic illness and diseases can be found, and the treatment can be easily be found from that data. It can be used for research and analysis. A lot of challenges are there. Data privacy and security, interoperability standards should be maintained. Governance and trust should be maintained. Legacy systems integration is one of the major challenge, and the cost implementation. Implementing all these different technologies is one of the major challenge as well. In conclusion, so this kind of a disjoint of healthcare systems are there. So we need to use more better emerging technologies, and by we can develop a more developed and scalable outer interoperable solutions by using the these all emerging technologies, and it will be a future generic solution by following all the critical scalability and security ways of um, solutions, and it can be a revolutionary for the future generation. Yeah, that's about my presentation today. Thank you.